Hey everyone, welcome to Makeup Studio by Kay. Today I'm going to try Brad Mondo's Sabrina Carpenter haircut on my own hair. So let's get started. I've already straightened my hair following his instructions. Now trimming the dead ends. Now I'll put my hair into a ponytail that's not in the middle, not too high or too low. Now I'll pull out a strand. I'll lift the ponytail, measure where it ends. And will cut while keeping tension with my fingers. It looks pretty good, not perfect but close enough. Now I'll pull all my hair forward into a ponytail at the center of my forehead, angled between my eyebrows. I'll now take a strand from the back. We'll measure again. And cut it off. Now I'll cut the curtain bangs. I'll take a triangle section, pull it to the opposite side and cut it off. I'll do the same on the other side. I might have made a small mistake on this side, but let's see how it looks. For the final step, I'll comb all my hair to the front and slide cut to the right length. I'll repeat this on the other side. So here's the final result. It looks great. Brad Mondo's tutorials always turn out well. I couldn't style my hair right away, but I did later and have included the pictures of the finished look. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.